Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's incredibly important for anyone looking to live a long, strong, and independent life: how to fight back against age-related muscle loss. You might have heard the term sarcopenia, which is just the fancy word for the muscle and strength decline that can happen as we get older. It sounds a bit scary, I know, but the good news is it's not inevitable. We have the power to combat it, and it all starts with movement. Now, why is this so critical? As we age, a sedentary lifestyle can be our biggest enemy. It's not just about feeling weak. It's about a cascade of problems that can follow. Less muscle means a slower metabolism, which can lead to weight gain. It means less stability, increasing the risk of falls and fractures. And it means less energy and more difficulty doing the things we love, whether it's gardening, playing with grandkids, or just carrying in the groceries without feeling winded. Inactivity can slowly chip away at our independence and quality of life. But here's the empowering truth. Our bodies are designed to adapt and get stronger at any age. We just need to give them the right stimulus. So, forget the idea that exercise has to be some grueling, high-impact ordeal. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple, safe, and incredibly effective movements backed by science. These exercises are specifically designed to target key muscle groups, improve your strength, and help you build a more resilient body for the years to come. You can do most of these right in the comfort of your own home, with minimal to no equipment. Are you ready to take the first step towards a stronger future? Let's get started with our first exercise. Our first move is the wall toe raise. This is a fantastic exercise for strengthening the muscles in your lower legs, specifically your calves and the tibialis anterior, which is the muscle on the front of your shin. Strong lower legs are your foundation for balance and walking. To do this, stand with your back against a wall for support. Place your feet about hip-width apart and a few inches away from the wall. First, we'll work the calves. Slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you comfortably can. Squeeze your calf muscles at the top for a second, then slowly lower your heels back down to the floor. Aim for a controlled movement, not a quick bounce. Do about 10 to 15 repetitions. Now for the second part, which targets the shin muscle. Still using the wall for balance. Keep your heels on the ground and lift your toes and the balls of your feet up towards the ceiling. You should feel a nice contraction in the front of your shins. Combining these two movements creates balance in your lower legs, which is crucial for preventing stumbles and improving your walking gait. Do this exercise daily, and you'll notice a real difference in your stability. Next up, we have the seated leg extension. This one is a powerhouse for building strength in your quadriceps, the big muscles on the front of your thighs. Strong quads are essential for everything from getting up out of a chair to climbing stairs and walking with confidence. For this, you'll need a sturdy chair. Sit up tall, with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Hold onto the sides of the chair for support if you need to. Now, focusing on one leg at a time, slowly extend that leg straight out in front of you until it's parallel to the floor, or as high as you can comfortably go. Squeeze the thigh muscle at the top of the movement. Think about really engaging that quad. Hold it there for a count of 2. Then slowly, and with control, lower your foot back to the starting position. The key here is to avoid just swinging your leg. The magic happens in the slow, controlled squeeze and release. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions on one leg. Then switch and do the same number on the other side. As you get stronger, you can even add a light ankle weight for more resistance. This simple move directly translates to real-world strength, making everyday activities feel significantly easier. Our third exercise is one of my absolute favorites for functional power, the sit-to-stand power pulse. This mimics one of the most fundamental movements we do every single day, getting up from a seated position. Mastering this builds power in your glutes and legs, which is vital for maintaining independence. Start by sitting on the edge of a sturdy chair, with your feet planted firmly on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and your core engaged. Now, instead of just standing up slowly, we're going to add a little bit of power. In one explosive but controlled motion, push through your heels and drive your hips forward to stand up straight. Really squeeze your glutes at the top. Then, to come back down, reverse the motion with control. Hinge at your hips first, pushing your bottom back as if you're about to sit, and lower yourself back to the chair. Don't just plop down. The moment your bottom touches the chair, immediately explode back up into the next repetition. This continuous movement builds muscular endurance and power. Aim for 8 to 10 powerful repetitions. If you're just starting, you can place your hands on your thighs for a little assistance, but work towards doing it with your arms crossed over your chest. Moving on to exercise number 4, we're going to target the upper body and posture with the seated wall angel. Poor posture is common as we age, leading to a rounded back and shoulder pain. This exercise is the perfect antidote. It opens up the chest and strengthens the muscles in your upper back that are responsible for pulling your shoulders back and helping you stand tall. Sit on the floor with your back flat against a wall. If sitting on the floor is difficult, you can also do this sitting in a chair with your back firmly against the chair back. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor. Press your entire back, from your tailbone to your head, against the wall. Now, raise your arms out to the sides and bend them at a 90-degree angle, like a goalpost shape. Try to keep the backs of your hands, your elbows, and your shoulders touching the wall. This might be challenging, and that's okay. Just go as far as you can without pain. From this starting position, slowly slide your arms up the wall, trying to straighten them overhead while keeping everything in contact with the wall. Then, slowly slide them back down to the starting 90-degree position. You should feel the muscles between your shoulder blades working hard. Go for 8 to 12 slow and controlled repetitions. This isn't about speed, it's about mindful movement to correct posture and build upper back strength. Finally, we have our 5th exercise, the farmer's carry. This is perhaps the most functional exercise of them all. Think about it. How often do you carry groceries, a suitcase, or a laundry basket? The farmer's carry builds total body strength from your grip and forearms, through your shoulders and core, all the way down to your legs. It improves your posture and makes you more resilient for everyday tasks. To do this, you just need 2 objects of equal weight. This could be 2 dumbbells, 2 kettlebells, 2 grocery bags with a few cans inside, or even 2 jugs of water. Stand up tall, with your shoulders pulled back and down, your chest proud, and your core tight. Pick up 1 weight in each hand, letting them hang naturally at your sides. Now, simply walk. Take slow, deliberate steps across the room. Your goal is to maintain that perfect, tall posture. Don't let the weights pull your shoulders forward or cause you to lean to one side. Keep your head up and look straight ahead. Walk for a set distance, say 30 to 50 feet, or for a set time, like 30 seconds. Then, safely put the weights down, rest for a moment, and repeat for 3 to 4 sets. This simple act of carrying a load builds a type of rugged strength that is incredibly useful in real life. It trains your body to work as an integrated unit, just like it needs to. So there you have it, 5 science-backed exercises to build strength, improve balance, and fight back against muscle loss. We covered the wall toe raise for lower leg stability, the seated leg extension for powerful quads, the sit-to-stand power pulse for functional leg power, the seated wall angel for better posture and upper back strength, and the farmer's carry for total body resilience. Remember, consistency is key. You don't have to do all of these every single day, but try to incorporate them into your routine several times a week. Start slow, focus on good form, and listen to your body. The journey to a stronger, more vibrant future starts with a single step, a single lift, a single repetition. You have the tools now. It's time to start building. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, because your future self will thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos on healthy aging. We'll see you in the next one.